listen to this rhino. What you can hear is the alarm call when she snorts. Now, this is a black rhino behind me. It's amazing that she's got a baby. It means the conservation's working when an endangered species is actually breeding. But that's not all. In the bush over here, we've got a big white rhino bull that's approaching her. Unbelievable. There's not too many places in the world that you could stand here 20 yards away from an interaction between a black and a white rhino. How incredible is that? Incredible.